Morning kids. Today I am going to solve the exercise of your Living English book, lesson number 7, that are happy birds. In the previous video we taught about this chapter. Do you remember? Yes. In the previous video we learned about happy birds, that there is a boy and a girl whose name is Rohan and Anu. They want a pet, so they go to a pet shop in the market and they saw some birds are there in cages and they feel sad. So they went home and tell to grandmother what happened there. After that, the grandma come and tell to the shopkeeper, we should not keep the birds in cages, so I want to purchase these birds. And after that, grandma purchased that birds and they opened the door of the cages and birds hopped out one by one and they flew happily. So this is your lesson summary, and now I'm going to solve this comprehension. Here match the column to make sentences. So let's match. Before starting match, you all know about sentence, a group of words which make a complete sense is called sentence. So let's pair this. Number 1, Anu wanted. What does Anu want? Anu wanted a white kitten. So here number E, match it here, number E. Now second one, Rohan and Anu saw parakeets. Where did they saw parakeets? Sad, grey, in small cages. Sorry for the birds. So Rohan and Anu saw parakeets in small cages. So match it here. Number 2, answer is number C. After that, number 3, the pigeons were white and grey. The color of the pigeons are white and grey. The birds in the cages looked sad because birds are not happy in cages. Rohan and Anu felt sorry for the birds. Number B, circle the animals Rohan and Anu saw in the pet shop. Which type of animal they saw in the pet shop? Circle them. They saw a pigeon and a dog and a cat and rabbit. So circle it. There was no fish, no zebra, no cow and no lion. Now number C, answer this question in your notebook. There are questions given. There are some questions given which I already prepared in notebook. So just understand this one. Happy birds. What did Rohan and Anu want? What did Rohan and Anu want? Rohan and Anu want a dog and a white kitten. So right here, Rohan want a dog, Anu want a white kitten. Number 2, where did they go? They went to the pet shop in the market. Question number 3. What did Granny tell the shopkeeper? Granny told that you should not keep birds in cage. Okay. Number 4. What did the shopkeeper tell Granny? The shopkeeper told that I will never sell birds now. Okay, and number 5th question is given here. What did Rohan, Anu and Granny do after buying the birds? So answer is here. Rohan, Anu and Granny opened the doors of the cages. So this is your question answer. Write it in your notebook. And the next page is work with words. Read the words on the word wall. Here are given some words. So let's read. Dog, log, frog. This is also a rhyming word. Like, like, bike, bike, hike, hike, flew, flew, blew, blew, new, new, cry, dry, fry. So here are given some rhyming words also. So remember these words and now fill in the letters to make words from the word wall. Here are some pictures given and words are also given in this word wall. So you have to choose and fill it here. So this is very clear. Which picture is this? Frog. So spelling of frog given here. Frog. So write it here. Frog. Number 2nd. Which picture is this? This is bike. 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 So put a spelling here. Bike. Bike. Number 3rd. Birds. Where does birds fly? Birds fly in the sky. So here is given flew, flew. Flew is the second form of verb which you have to know in next class also. Number 4. This boy is crying. This boy is crying. So cry, cry. Put it here. Now next, write the he and she words in the correct columns. That means here is given gender and there are 2 types of gender, masculine and feminine. So we can say that this side female, she means female and he means male. So put here are some words given. Put these words in this column. Mother, sister. Sister is female word. So we put here sister. After that father. Father is male. So put here father. Father. After that uncle. Uncle is a male. Uncle. Grandpa. Grandpa is also male word. Grandpa. And here is daugster. Daughter. Daughter is female word. So we put daughter, spelling of daughter here. So students, complete this page also and question answer also done in your notebook. Thank you.